Well, guys, good luck. Titanium basketball. Titanium basketball. Which one should we do? Left, right, top, bottom? Left, right, top, or bottom? One for the right, one for every other. Any other thoughts? One for the right, one for every other. Whichever one has aspersion. Any other thoughts? Every other or the right? We'll do the right since Lakers Pride said it first. We'll do the right. Good luck, guys. Titanium basketball. Titanium basketball. Kind of hiding in that one. Titanium basketball. Got a Magic Aaron Aflalo. Magic Aaron Aflalo. John Wall, the Wizards. Got a Strength out of 99, Chris Bosh. Mr. Point Guard, Chris Bosh. Thinks he's an outside shooter. And a dual jersey out of 249. Dual jerseys, 249 for the Celtics. Rajon Rondo. Rajon Rondo, dual jersey. Got a Clippers, Blake Griffin. Enes Kanter, the Jazz. Paul Pierce, the Nets. And a Washington Wizards. Washington Wizards. Jersey for the Wizards that is not numbered of Nene. Base jersey. Base jersey, not numbered. Marcus Aldridge, Trailblazers. Sean Marion, the Mavericks. Anderson Varejao, Cleveland Cavaliers. And another base jersey card that is not numbered. Base jersey, not numbered. Going to the Charlotte Bobcats. Bismarck Biyombo. Bismarck Biyombo for the Bobcats. Bismarck Biyombo. Mavericks, Money Ellis. Vince Carter, Mavericks. Mario Chalmers, the Heat. Our first auto going to Pelicans. First auto going to New Orleans Pelicans. Al-Farouq Amino. New Wave auto, Al-Farouq Amino. Last pack, box 1. Last pack, box number 1. Got a Grizzlies, Marc Gasol. Damian Lillard, Trailblazers. Got 199, J.J. Hickson for the Nuggets. And a New Wave auto going to Oklahoma City Thunder. New Wave auto going to the Thunder of Reggie Jackson. Reggie Jackson for the Oklahoma City Thunder. Reggie Jackson. Box 2. Box number 2. Box 2. Got Paul George, Pacers. Al Jefferson, Bobcats. Got a Strength, Timmy Duncan for the Spurs out of 99. And a New York Knicks base jersey. Knicks base jersey. Meta World Peace. Meta World Peace. Meta World Peace for the Knicks. Got a Timberwolves Nikolai Pekovic T-Wolves. Brandon Knight, the Bucks. Danny Granger, Pacers. And a rookie jumbo jersey card. Rookie jumbo jersey, $2.99. Rookie jumbo jersey. Some dude with the really last name for the Bucks. For the Bucks. Giannis something. For the Bucks, $2.99. For the Bucks. That guy. $2.99 for the Bucks. Warriors, Klay Thompson. Luol Deng, the Bulls. Dion Waiters, Cavaliers. Dual jerseys, 155. The Greek Freak, there you go. Dual jerseys, 155. The Wizards, John Wall, Bradley Beal. John Wall, Bradley Beal. Dual jerseys for the Wizards. Got Pelicans, Anthony Davis. Marcin Gortat, the Wizards. Andrew Bogut, Warriors. And a New Wave auto going to the Washington Wizards. New Wave going to the Wizards. Jan Vesely. New Wave, Jan Vesely for the Wizards. Nets, Kevin Garnett. Carlos Boozer, Bulls. Got Fundamentals, David Robinson, $1.99. The Spurs. And out of 99, on card, one of the Warriors. Out of 99, electric endorsements, Harrison Barnes. Out of 99 for the Golden State Warriors, Harrison Barnes. Box number 3. Box number 3. Got Kings, Rudy Gay. Nicholas Batum, Trailblazers. Got out of 19 for the Cavaliers. Rookie numbered to 19 for the Cavaliers. Sergei Karasev, Cavaliers, out of 19. Sergei Karasev, out of 19 for the Cavaliers. And New Wave auto right behind it. New Wave auto out of base, not numbered. Rockets, Greg Smith. Greg Smith, the Rockets. Magic, Jameer Nelson. Al Horford, Hawks. Got out of 99, Pelicans, Tariq Evans for Pelicans. And a base jersey going to the Detroit Pistons. Base, Detroit Pistons. Brandon Jennings, base jersey. Good hit. In the background, for Iowa, that was Dwight Howard, Rockets. Darren Williams, Nets. Got that's not too bad. Out of 5. Got a base parallel out of 5. Base parallel out of 5. Base parallel out of 5. John Wall for the Wizards. John Wall. You did. So it'll get uploaded to YouTube once we get done. John Wall, numbered 1 of 5. 1 of 5. And a draft day auto right behind it. Draft day auto right behind it. Draft day auto, that is not numbered. Going to go to the same guy for the Bucks with the really last name. Milwaukee Bucks of Giannis Antetokounmpo for the Bucks. That guy. Milwaukee Bucks, draft day, rookie auto. Got Kenneth Faried, Nuggets. J.R. Smith, Knicks. Gordon Hayward, the Jazz. Dual jerseys out of 279. Dual jerseys, 279. Spurs, Timmy Duncan. Tim Duncan for the Spurs. Tim Duncan. Last pack, box 3. Last pack, box number 3. Got a Knicks, Tyson Chandler. Evan Turner, Sixers. Got a Kevin Love, T-Wolves. And a Gamers, that is a base jersey that is not numbered. Not numbered. For the Lakers, Pau Gasol. Pau Gasol for the Lakers. Pau Gasol. Box number 4. Box 4. Titanium basketball. No price call of the night. Box 4. Titanium basketball. Nuggets, Ty Lawson. Steve Novak, Raptors. Jason Richardson, Sixers. He was still playing. And another draft day auto going to Trailblazers. Draft day auto going to Portland Trailblazers of Andre Roberson. Portland Trailblazers, Andre Roberson. Portland Trailblazers, Andre Roberson. Heat, Chris Bosh. Rajon Rondo, Celtics. Got, goes backwards. Out of 22, Jeremy Lin. Not bad. Jeremy Lin for the Rockets. Jeremy Lin. Out of 22, parallel. Jeremy Lin for the Rockets. Out of 22. Jeremy Lin for the Rockets. Out of 22. And a on-card out of 299. On-card, 299. That is a supersonic. Means it's going to go to the Oklahoma City Thunder. Detlef Shrimp. Detlef Shrimp out of 299. Going to the Oklahoma City Thunder. Detlef Shrimp. Kings, Rudy Gay. Timmy Duncan, Spurs. Got Amari Stoudemire, the Knicks. Base jersey card that is not numbered. Base jersey card not numbered for the Nets. Darren Williams. A gamer, Darren Williams for the Nets. Got Magic, Jameer Nelson. Kevin Durant, Oklahoma City Thunder. Jared Waltz, Celtics. And dual jerseys out of 125. Dual jerseys, 125 for the Spurs. Dual jerseys, 125. Tony Parker, Manu Ginobili. Tony Parker, Manu Ginobili. Dual jerseys, 125. Last pack, Titanium basketball. Last pack, Titanium basketball. Dwight Howard, the Rockets. Andre Miller, the Nuggets. George Hill, Pacers. And a Titanic jumbo jersey out of 299. Jumbo jersey, 299. Bulls, Taj Gibson. Taj Gibson for the Chicago Bulls. Finishing our titanium basketball tonight. Titanium